To secure Apple Pay with Face ID, start by making sure your iPhone or iPad is running the latest version of iOS. This will ensure you have the most up-to-date security features. First, go to the Settings app on your device and select Face ID and passcode. If you have not already set up Face ID, you will be prompted to do so. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your face and create a Face ID profile. Once Face ID is set up, go back to the Settings app and select Wallet and Apple Pay. If you have not already added a credit or debit card to Apple Pay, you will need to do so by selecting Add Card and following the on-screen instructions. To secure Apple Pay with Face ID, make sure the Require Face ID for Purchases option is turned on. This will require you to authenticate with Face ID every time you make a purchase using Apple Pay. You can also add an extra layer of security by requiring a passcode to be entered when using Apple Pay. To do this, go to the Settings app and select Face ID and passcode. Then turn on the Require Passcode option. In addition to securing Apple Pay with Face ID, it is also a good idea to use a strong passcode and to keep your device and Apple Pay information up to date. This will help to prevent unauthorized access to your device and Apple Pay account. By following these steps, you can help to secure Apple Pay with Face ID and protect your financial information. Remember to always keep your device and Apple Pay information up to date and to use a strong passcode to help prevent unauthorized access. It is also important to note that if you are using a credit or debit card with Apple Pay, you should also make sure to monitor your account activity regularly to help prevent and detect any unauthorized transactions. By taking these steps, you can help to secure Apple Pay with Face ID and protect your financial information.